Welcome to ZeroThreat. Target configuration involves configuring the scanner based on your specific needs and use case. To begin, go to the Target section and select the target you wish to configure. Start by specifying your technology stack, including both front-end and back-end technologies. This helps ZeroThreat in various ways. From the next setting, you can delete existing recorded sequences or create a new one. You can also define allowed and disallowed hosts to control which domains are included in the scan. Next, you can choose to add custom headers that ZeroThreat will send along with every request. Additionally, specific URLs or specific HTTP methods on them can be excluded from the scan if needed. You'll also find all your upcoming scheduled scans listed here, with the option to create a new schedule. Finally, you can set up a scan profile for your CI/CD pipeline scan integration, customizing it with specific attack types. In conclusion, these configurations ensure the scan is precise and aligned with your requirements.